Good morning, everybody. It's an e-learning kind of a day. I want to show you how to navigate between a Word doc and a video so that you can use them simultaneously to save you a lot of time. And for some of you, you may already do this. I know for some of you, you may take the long way. So first, you'll be logged into your Discovery Ed account. And so when you get here and you're in your Discovery Ed account and you have clicked on the link to take you to today's video with clips on continental drift and plate tectonics, you're going to need to minimize your screen. Then you need to come down and you need to grab the Word doc that you have opened. Okay, so with this Word doc, this lists the topics that the video covers in order. You will take 2 notes about Pangea, 2 notes about the ocean floor, 2 notes about plate tectonics, Earth's inner structure, earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountains. To do this simultaneously to save you time, you will need to minimize your Word doc just like you did the Discovery Ed video. You'll want nothing else in the background except for your desktop. You'll have them side by side so you can see both of them. So as long as you have a space here between the two, they will both stay open the entire time. You can, if you want the video a little bit larger, you can stretch it a bit. Come up here and you can maybe pull this over a little bit. Go ahead and make your Word doc as large as possible. So then you can have, as you see, both open, and this will save you a lot of time. I hope that helps. Have a great day.